This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Let's start directly with pricing, because this is where Sovos and Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting immediately separate themselves from typical SMB tax tools. Sovos does not publish fixed pricing on its website. Instead, pricing is fully customizable and must be requested through a sales consultation. The cost depends on factors like transaction volume, number of tax jurisdictions, compliance modules selected, and the complexity of your regulatory environment. This makes Sovos clearly enterprise-focused, designed for organizations dealing with multi-country indirect tax, VAT, sales tax, e-invoicing mandates, and ongoing regulatory change. Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting follows a similar pricing approach. There is no public price list, no entry-level tier, and no self-checkout. Pricing is also request-based and tailored, typically bundled as part of Oracle's broader enterprise performance management ecosystem, which means cost scales with company size, data volume, and existing Oracle Cloud adoption. In short, neither of these platforms is about cheap filing. Both are long-term compliance infrastructure investments. Focusing on Sovos features, this platform is built around continuous tax compliance rather than periodic reporting. Sovos Compliance Cloud centralizes in direct tax determination, e-invoicing, VAT reporting, sales tax calculation, and regulatory intelligence in a single environment. It supports real-time tax calculation across thousands of global jurisdictions, automatic rate updates, and jurisdiction-specific rule changes without manual intervention. Sovos integrates with major ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, and NetSuite, allowing tax logic to sit directly inside transaction workflows. The platform also handles SAFT, continuous transaction controls, digital reporting mandates, and country-specific e-invoicing requirements, reducing the risk of penalties caused by outdated rules or missed filings. For global companies, Sovos acts as a live compliance engine rather than a static reporting tool. Additionally, Sovos places heavy emphasis on future-proofing compliance through constant regulatory intelligence updates, meaning tax rule changes are pushed automatically without waiting for annual software upgrades. This is especially valuable for companies operating in regions with fast-changing digital tax mandates, where manual tracking would otherwise consume significant internal resources and increase exposure to filing errors or non-compliance penalties. Looking at pros and cons, Sovos' biggest strength is regulatory depth and automation at scale. It is trusted by large multinational enterprises and is built to adapt quickly to changing tax laws across multiple countries. The platform reduces manual work, audit exposure, and reliance on spreadsheets, which is critical for high-volume environments. However, the downside is accessibility. Sovos is not beginner-friendly, not designed for small businesses, and requires onboarding, technical setup, and internal tax expertise to fully leverage. Pricing transparency is limited and implementation can be time-intensive, making it best suited for enterprises rather than lean finance teams. Shifting fully to Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting, this platform is designed for tax teams that operate inside complex corporate reporting structures. Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting focuses on tax provision, country-by-country reporting, deferred tax calculations, and alignment between tax, finance, and statutory reporting. It allows organizations to model current and deferred tax positions, manage uncertain tax positions, and ensure consistency between financial statements and tax disclosures. The platform integrates deeply with Oracle Financials and Oracle ERP Cloud, enabling tax data to flow directly from core accounting systems into tax reporting workflows without manual reconciliation. It also supports audit trails, version control, standardized calculations, and collaboration across global tax teams, making it suitable for publicly listed companies with strict governance requirements. From a features perspective, Oracle emphasizes control, accuracy, and transparency. Users can automate tax provision calculations, manage multi-entity consolidations, and produce regulatory-ready reports aligned with IFRS and GAAP. Scenario modeling allows tax teams to evaluate the impact of law changes or business restructures before implementation. Built-in security, role-based access, and audit logs help meet internal control and compliance standards, particularly for SO ex-regulated organizations. Unlike transaction-level tax engines, Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting is more focused on strategic reporting rather than real-time tax calculation. Looking at pros and cons, Oracle's biggest advantage is enterprise-grade reporting discipline and tight integration with broader Oracle Cloud systems. It is ideal for large finance departments that already rely on Oracle for planning, consolidation, and financial close. However, it comes with a steep learning curve, high implementation effort, and significant cost. Smaller teams may find it overpowered, and organizations outside the Oracle ecosystem may struggle with integration complexity and vendor lock-in. Now let's talk ratings. On Capterra, Sovos currently holds an exact rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars, based on 18 reviews, reflecting mixed feedback that often highlights strong compliance capabilities but notes complexity and onboarding effort. Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting shows a 4.2 out of 5 rating, based on 25 reviews on G2. While these ratings provide useful insight, both platforms have relatively small review volumes compared to mass market software, so they should be viewed as directional rather than definitive. Final takeaway: if your priority is real-time global tax compliance, regulatory automation, and indirect tax management across multiple jurisdictions, Sovos is the stronger operational engine. If your focus is tax provision, financial reporting alignment, and enterprise-level governance inside a broader EPM framework, Oracle Cloud EPM tax reporting is the better strategic fit. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for more enterprise tax software comparisons, and click the link below to explore both platforms and see which one aligns with your organization's tax strategy and scale.